Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got another KiwiCo Koala crate from the mail. So this is our sixth box that we got from KiwiCo. So time flies. This is our 6th month already. Anyway, so I'm gonna unbox this. So this one is called the Friends, and I'll be unboxing this. Stay tuned after the unboxing. I'll also show you some of the discount you can get from getting this Koala crate. Alright, so you have the Discovery magazine, the instruction on how to play with this with your kids. Oh, this looks like some kind of foam. Not quite sure what this is. Oh, I think I can peel this off and put on top of here, but we'll see. Oh, more. So we have two different versions of it. Keelan's book. My kid really loved this book. He always liked us to read the story to him. So let's see what else they have. A bunch of bunnies. Look like they got acorns and apples on there. Even a snake. Looks like tree. And that's it. Let me go set this up with my kid and then show you how we play this. Alright, so this video is not sponsored by KiwiCo, although it's not sponsored by them, but I do have a referral code for anyone who sign up for KiwiCo and get $10 off their first purchase. So this is one of the way that you can save more is use the referral code. I'll put the code down in the description below so you can go check it out. Now another way that you can save is by having an extension that install onto your browser. Now I have Rakuten, I have Honey, and I also have the American Advantage. Now, what I have found that all three of them has some sort of either discount or cashback. The one that gives you the most is Rakuten with a 7.5% cashback. Now for Rakuten, I'll also put the referral code down in the description. So if you use it, you will actually get a $30 cashback when you first sign up. Yeah, it's a great way to save more if you shop a lot online to use Rakuten. Now Honey on the other hand, it doesn't give all that much, it's 1% to 3%. So it's quite low compared to Rakuten. And the American Advantage, this one gives you airline miles. Now for this one, you get 7 miles per dollar that you spend. The cashback system is a little bit better than the getting miles, especially for those of you that doesn't fly. If you do fly, then maybe American Advantage is a better deal. All right, so let's talk about the gameplay. There are a few ways that you can play with this. First, we can create a bear and fox stuffies. So this will help the kid to have like pretend play. So what you need to do first is get the filled bodies and then the stickers. You peel off the sticker and put on top of the body and put the fluffy stuff on the back inside the body themselves. Now all of a sudden your kid will have a stuffy toy to play with. Now there are two of them. One is a fox and the other one is a bear. So you can just help your kid to create the two. And don't take out the stuff inside the body already. That thing is what's in there to help the stuffy to stand up. Now the next gameplay you can have is called the treetop games. This is very simple. You just put the tokens that they provided with the toy box and put it inside the tree board. And once inside the tree board, then basically you just have your kid try to find each token and then take it out. Now the way that I play with my kid is, which one would you feed the fox with? Or which one would you feed the bear with? And to play along with the kid, also help him to understand which token it stands for what. You have apple, acorns, and grapes, so on and so forth. So we can actually engage him with the words of the particular token while he is playing. Now the second type of game that you can have with this is called matching game. So basically just randomly put the tokens inside the tree, and then by starting the game, you lifting 2 flaps, and if the both tokens underneath are the same, you take the tokens out. So it's just a basic matching game. You try to find the 2 matching token and take them out until you run out of tokens. Now, the gameplay itself is very straightforward. This time around is nothing too special. What I enjoy most with my kid is this game encourages sharing. So you have 2 stuffy, right? One is fox, one is bear. You can ask your kid like, oh, what do you want to feed the fox with? Or if the fox get to eat the apple, shouldn't the bear get to eat the apple as well? Those kind of things. Because right now our second kid is very young and she's not at the age that can play well with the older brother. So before the 2 of them can play with each other, we want the older one to understand the meaning of sharing. So with the 2 stuffy, we can have pretend play that he know what sharing is. Now, according to the Discover magazine that they provided, they even mentioned how kids play in different age group. They have the solitary play and starting at infancy. So this is where the kids will just play by themselves. And then you have the onlooker play, which is start around 2-year-old, where the toddlers will watch others play but don't join in. Now, parallel play, that's where my son's age is, starting around 2 as well. So they play side by side with other kids and sometimes using the same toys or copying one another, but rarely do they interact with each other. So I see that quite a lot with my kid when he playing with his friend. Initially, I was thinking he wanted to play with the kid because he keep mentioning his name all the time. But once they get together, they always just play by themselves in the presence of the other person, but they don't engage with the other person. So here, according to the magazine, this is what is called the parallel play. Once the children starting around 3-year-old, they have this called the associative play, where children are more interested in the people playing than the actual activity. And this is where they begin to actively interact and problem solve with others. And when the kid is starting at age of 4, you have the cooperative play, where children begin to interact in groups and play games that require teamwork. So it is very interesting to see the way that they lay out each individual stage of how the children grow when they are playing with other people. So anyway, this is this month of the Koala Crate from KiwiCo. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.